Elon Musk is now the richest man in the whole planet Earth with a net worth of 185 billion US dollars. Anytime there is news of someone being the richest in the world, there's always that Nigerian that comes with lines like this: Obasanjo is richer, he just can't declare how much he has because blah blah blah. 2. Tinubu is richer, but because it's not clean money, he cannot talk. 3. Come to Onitsha, you will see men that are richer than that. Oh. So you are telling me that Obasanjo has 190 billion US dollars, or one man in Onitsha main market has 190 billion US dollars? This now 2021, no reason. Now your class I take the leave and if you play attack and defense so at the same time. And I thank you that say even when I the class you see give me the